In this video, I will show you how to reset laptop without deleting files. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do from your Windows desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon and click on Settings in your pinned apps. If you don't see settings here, you can use the search box at the top, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you've opened up your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto system, and from the system screen you want to scroll down until you see the option for recovery and then give that a click. Then what you want to do is come to the recovery option section. You're going to see an option for reset this PC, and all you want to do is click the reset PC button. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this. As you can see, you've got two options available. You can either keep your files or remove everything. Now of course in this example we're going to want to keep our files, we don't want to delete them, so just select the option to keep my files. It's just going to take a minute now to get things ready, and what you want to do is choose how you would like to reinstall Windows. So you've got the option for cloud download or local reinstall. I would recommend going for a cloud download, but of course you can choose a local reinstall if you want to. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this screen here, which is going to give you a brief summary of what's going to happen. So basically the apps and settings that came with the PC are going to be reinstalled, and it's going to download and reinstall Windows, but any third-party applications will be deleted and you will need to reinstall them. So to continue, come down and click next at the bottom. As you can see, it's just going to take a minute again just to get everything ready and to reset your laptop. What it's going to do is take you to this screen here saying it's now ready to reset this PC. As you can see, that resetting by following these steps will change these settings back to their defaults, but you will be able to keep your personal files. It's going to download and reinstall Windows and remove all third-party apps and programs that did not originally come with the PC or laptop. There is a link here as well which you can click, and that's going to take you to a screen which is going to tell you which apps will be removed, so you can make a note of those and of course reinstall those once the process has finished. Just a quick note that the process to reset your laptop, it does take some time, so make sure that you do have your laptop plugged in, and if you do choose to use a cloud download, it can use about 4GB of data, so just make sure you've got enough memory and things like that, and then just simply click the reset button. What that's going to do is start the process, reinstall Windows, reset your laptop, but keep all your personal files. So that is how to reset your laptop without deleting files. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.